Hello and Merry Christmas to my ukulele friends. Today I am unboxing a Kmise 21-inch Soprano ukulele. And we have a special guest in the background making all sorts of noise, which is my new little puppy Poppy, which I'm sure you'll meet in lots of future videos. So, I'm looking forward to unboxing this. This is my first Kmise ukulele. I've seen them all over the internet, so I'm really excited about this. All right, here we go. Okay, so it comes, actually one thing, I haven't even looked at this uke yet, but one thing that's really exciting, or really good about this, is that it's really well packaged. I've actually taken it out of its big original box with my address on it, but it came in a huge box, really well packaged, which keeps your ukulele super safe. I doubt anything could have happened to this. So inside your big padded box, you've got your small ukulele box, which protects your ukulele in its smaller gig bag. So in the box we have our ukulele, which I'll unbox very soon, and we have a tuner, which comes with a battery. There's Poppy. We have our checkered ukulele strap. I really like the pattern of this one. Poppy. Hello, I'll introduce you to Poppy. We have Poppy to help us. We have a cleaning cloth. I'm going to have to look up what this is. We have a little interesting, I think it's a finger shaker actually. That would make sense. Perhaps you have it on your hand while you strum. Let me get back to you on this one. This is cool. This is actually the first time I've unboxed a beginner's ukulele that comes with a capo. I think capos are incredibly important. Not enough people have them when you're beginners. It just means that with your basic chords you learn, you can transpose. I explain that in my other videos though. We have a pick. It's nice and thin and flexy. I think if it picks too hard, it sounds really twangy on your strings. But even better, we have a felt pick. So felt picks are especially for ukulele. They sound nicer on your nylon strings. Oh, an additional pick and even a pick holder. Whoops. So you can actually store your picks in there, and it has an adhesive back. So you could actually stick that, oh, I think it's adhesive, yes. So you could stick it either to the back of your ukulele or somewhere handy. We have, oh, and another pick. So 4 picks in total. We have 3 plastic picks. They don't say the gauge being how thick they are. Some ukuleles come and tell you that. These ones don't, but they feel fine. Yeah, so 3 plastic picks and our felt branded Kmise ukulele pick. We have some black nylon ukulele strings. I can't say I've used black nylon ukulele strings. I may have to give these a try and review them in a separate video, but I've not used them. I've not really heard them being recommended, but they could be interesting to use. That's personal choice for you. Okay, gig bag. We have 2 straps, which is handy adjustable straps if you want to use it as a backpack. I personally love using my ukulele as a backpack. My shoulders aren't as flexible as they used to be, but that can be really handy. Here we are, to carry around for gigging, ukulele club, whatever it may be. It's a cute way to carry it around as well. For me, I'm often going into gigs carrying all sorts of things, so having something you can place on your back is incredibly handy. All right, I forgot to say as well, it does have a carry handle. You do not have to wear it on your back. And also the zip front little pocket, which is big enough to hold all of your additional accessories in. And still got that checkered strap over me. What I like about the strap too is it has this string which you can actually tie around the headstock of your ukulele, just where your strings meet the nut, so that you get a sort of wider reach rather than having it down closer to the body. I like having mine personally out wide. I feel it's a bit more stable, easier to play. Now, anyone that's had a puppy would know how much they like to chew things. Poppy's just stolen something. Time to unzip the bag. All right. This is always my favorite bit, the actual ukulele. Here we go. All right. Also, this bag's got decent padding. It's not a flimsy, just cotton bag. You can feel there's actual padding. That's important to me as well. Okay, and you can see as well, they've taken extra care to truly protect this on its journey to you. Okay. I love new instruments, it's so exciting. All right, this is pretty. So this is mahogany. You can see it's got a beautiful wood finish. I really like the shape of the headstock here as well. These tuning pegs are actually quite unique. I haven't seen this color before, so yeah, I think that's nice. As well, something unique I haven't seen in my other ukuleles is it looks like that these tuning pegs are open, but they're actually encased. I can't touch them, which is really good because you can't get dirt and grime inside there. So it protects them to keep it nice and smooth while tuning. It gives better longevity, so you shouldn't need to replace those tuning pegs. Just another thing about the tuning pegs is that often they're made out of alloy, but here something they pride themselves on is their copper tuning pegs, so or machine cogs, so that it should be really durable and long lasting. All right. Oh yep, here as well we have what's called a compensated bridge. I'll see if you can see that, which means there's different heights on the bridge there for each string, which is good for making sure that you get an even tuning throughout your ukulele. So that's a winner for me. What do we have here? You've got your little Kmise tag, which has all your contact details on the back. I read on the Amazon site that it has free string replacement, and the reviews on customer service are amazing. So make use of that. If there's anything wrong with your ukulele, I'm sure they'll be fantastic. All right, so next, our little inlay of the branding, Kmise. I do like that it's inlaid. It's not printed on, so it's not going to wear out. It's going to look good. The same. Yeah, we may have sticker around the outside, so that's not an inlay, but it's still pretty. Also the actual model of this one is KMU21S, as you can hopefully see. All right, we have, it's beautiful and smooth here as well. Sometimes entry-level ukuleles can cut corners a little bit. You can get sharp edges, which can even, I've heard of cutting fingers. I fortunately haven't had one that's done that yet, but it's a thing. In fact, you can't even see the frets from the back, so they are nice and smooth. It's actually a really beautiful wood to feel. I really like the touch of this fretboard. I wish you could see how well it feels to touch, but that's something you may have to experience for yourself. We also have our fret markers, which are inlaid here on the 5th, 7th, 10th, and 12th frets, which is always handy. And I like as well that it's got the fret markers on the top, so that, you know, if you are learning and or even have been playing for a while and you're wanting to figure out where frets are quickly, you don't have to look at the front at your fret markers. You've got your guide on the side. Okay, we also have, straight away, you have 2 pegs here that you can attach your straps to, so you don't need to go at your ukulele with a drill, which is an added bonus. As I said, I like to string mine up here though, so that's personal preference. You've got either choice because your strap has the string and you have 2 pegs. So that's a winner too. All right. I believe this is a laminate, top, sides and bottom, all mahogany. So it is a pretty ukulele. I also read online that it comes with online installation instructions. So if you're not quite sure how to set up your ukulele or how to tune it, you could jump online and make the most of that as well. And it has a 60-day product warranty. So if you're not happy, you've got that to cover you. Now online it says that our fretboard and our bridge here is made out of walnut wood. So that's a beautiful wood. It feels nice. It looks nice. I really like the mahogany and the walnut colors together. I think it's a beautiful ukulele. Okay, time to tune. And one thing is that ukuleles don't ever really sound great out of the box. They don't come really well tuned. Your strings need time to settle. Also, if you were getting your ukulele air freighted and it was in tune, it would be bound to go out of tune. So that's the thing too. If you are traveling with your ukulele, it is a good idea to loosen off your strings. The tension moving up and down from the air pressure can not be ideal for the ukulele. And I've lost our tuner. I hope the puppy hasn't stolen it. Okay, tuner out of the box. Oh. So this is something, sometimes, actually almost always, the batteries come in the tuner from my experience. But here, just be careful, the battery's actually in the box. These can also be really dangerous to animals and babies, so just make sure you don't drop that one. Okay. Placing the battery in. We have power. All right. Also, you'll see, as with many other tuners, when you press your buttons, I'm not sure if that's focusing. When you press your button, it changes the different functions. Just stick to C. It's going to be what you need for this ukulele. So, let's tune up. All right, so I'm not going to judge too much on the tuning yet, but the sounds really resonant. I'm not sure if you can hear that on the microphone, but for a small little ukulele, it seems to have quite a big sound. It's really bright, the way a ukulele should sound, really. It's I think the beautiful thing about the ukulele is that bright, happy sound, and this ukulele seems to have that. It's got a flat back as well. Sometimes you'll get rounded back to make sure it gets more resonant, but even without that, it does have nice resonance. Poppy's moving around. Let's check this tuning again after just a very short strum. It's bound to be out of tune, as all ukuleles would be. So something you can do is you can tune slightly higher if you'd like to, and that can help it settle a little bit. And hear a slight buzz in that A string. I'm going to see over the next few days how that settles. Another thing you can do is down at the bridge, just pressing out gently with your thumbs, which will put it back out of tune. So I think if you are looking for a entry-level ukulele, this is a beautiful one. For the money, you've got great value here. It's definitely worthwhile, a little worthwhile ukulele. Or if you're looking for a second, you know, travel around ukulele, it's a great tiny little soprano with bright, happy sound. Perfect for Christmas. So I hope this unboxing has been useful. Watch this space. If you're watching live, I'll do some kind of demo coming soon. If you're watching in the future, check out my videos where I'll link some other videos where I will be playing this little beauty. Merry Christmas! So I found out, yes, this is a finger shaker, so that when you strum, it shakes, which is what it sounded like.